Welcome to the brand new Dream Restaurant and Sports Bar located on 5040 Old National Highway in the historic College Park District. We are a spacious full-service restaurant serving a mix of soul food, seafood, gourmet burgers, and more. From our succulent shrimp, our stuffed turkey burgers, smothered pork chops, grilled salmon salad, and our customer-favorite mac and cheese, we can cater to all of your food needs. Lunch specials starting at $5.99 with a soft drink included from 11 to 2 p.m. We also deliver. We have excellent food and drink specials. Come join us after work and wind down enjoying $3 top shelf cocktails from 4 to 8 p.m. Monday through Friday. Dream is open from 11 a.m. to 12 a.m. or later daily. Come be a part of the Dream.